Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope that you are enjoying these holidays, and along with this you will have to, I think, focus on your study, and you are doing the same because students, it's a very golden time for you to focus on your study. If you will waste the time, no doubt you know that the time will waste you and your future will not be as you will be thinking about it. Today I am going to start chapter number 12, and the title of this chapter is Images. I have taught you about this chapter already through Zoom meeting software. Now I have decided to teach you this chapter practically with the help of presentations. So first of all, what are images? Students, most of you know that images are very important in our, especially in the documents that we transfer from one locations to another. So images are very informative informations in the form of pictures. So in other words, we can say that these are the pictures with which and through which we can get informative idea about any type of process. So there are different types of images that we deal in our documentations and presentations. First of all, when we discuss about the types of image files, so there are different types of files in the form of images that we use in different softwares, and we can exchange, and we can transfer these image files from one area to another, especially as far as the web based documents are concerned. These image files are very important to transfer from one locations to another locations. So as there are I think 10 image files on the screen, and you are watching here: JPG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, RAW, PSD, PDF, EPS, AI, and SVG. Most of the file, you know about its functions, but you don't know what stands for JPG and what stands for PDF. Most of the time, the students don't know about this informations. But one thing is very important that I want to share with you. Most of these, I think, two to three or four out of these are very important, and you use in your daily life when you use, I think, different types of presentations and documentations on the internet. So you know about, I think, two to three image files very well. And among them, first of all, JPEG or JPG. It's called Joint Photographic Experts Group. Second, PNG, Portable Network Graphics. GIF file, it is also image file, and it stands for Graphics Interchange Format. And PDF, Portable Document Format, and so on. So now today we'll practically practically I will teach you about uh, the image files. And today in this chapter, first of all, I will teach you how the image places into a documents and presentations. So I have told you about the different types of image files, but now I will practically tell you how can you insert image into a document. So when I will talk about the documents, it means I am talking about the MS Word files. And when I will talk about the presentations, so I am talking about the PowerPoint software. So in this, first of all, I will do a practical portions related to a image. So first of all, we go to the chapter, and first of all, we go to the task, and the task is first task I will teach you practically. It is called 12A, because task 12A mean there is a 12 means indicating that we are studying now chapter number 12, and A mean it's a first step of practically that I am going to do with you, and you will just focus on that how practically I will complete this task 12A. So first of all, in this task, we will open the document snow.rtf file and insert a suitable image from a clip art and the images snowball.jpg and trees.jpg at the end of the document. So first of all, for the completion of this task, we must have this file, rich text file. The name of this file is snow. We must have this file and the images snowball.jpg and trees.jpg we must have in our folders. Okay. First of all, we go to the file, and first of all, we open the file snow.rtf. So this is the snow. Okay, this file that you are now watching on the screen is basically a snow, and its extension or basically its type is RTF, because when I have chosen the file from this locations, and when you right click on this image and go to the properties options, and there is a mention rich text format, it means that we are going to select and open snow.rtf files. So this file is in front of us, and already these type these text are on this file. But what we have to do with this file, we have to insert the picture in this file. There are two ways. With the help of these two ways, we can insert a picture in this file. First of all, one way that we can import a picture through the internet, and we can insert that picture on in this file. So first of all, we go to the first way of insertion of the picture through internet, or import any picture through the internet. First of all, for this way, we have to go to the insert tab, and then there are different sections you are now watching on the screen. But when we click on the insert tab and then select illustration sections, and there we are going to see the picture icon. We click on this small downside arrow, and there are two options. The following the title insert picture from. So first of all, this is the second way, and this is the first way online pictures mean that we can insert a picture through online. So when we click on these options, you know that this screen will be displayed on in front of you, and the statement you are watching here is in this insert pictures, and there is, we'll write here snow ball, and I will click on that. This now the picture is being searched through the internet, and there are different types of pictures which are related to this title snowball. And if we want to choose in any one of this, we can choose on select, and the thick border will indicate us that it is selected by you. And after selection, this type of, then you go to the insert button and insert, and the picture will be inserted into the screen. This is the one way with which you can import and picture through the internet. But now this, we have to follow the second step, and in second step we have to insert a picture from this device. Means all the pictures have already stored in the computer in these locations. This these pictures are mentioned in this chapter number 12, and according to this chapter, so we have to select all the pictures that is mentioned in your this chapter. So already these pictures I have stored in one of the locations, so I will get these pictures from these locations and insert into the required documents. First of all, we go to the task, and the task is what? The task is open the document snow.rtf. We have opened this. Insert a suitable image from clip art, and the image is snowball. We have already. Now, at the end of the documents, this is very important. At the end of the documents, we have to insert these two pictures placed at the end of the documents. So we go back to this snow.rtf files, and the cursors move to the last of at the last of the documents. So this is the locations of cursors where cursor is going to be blinked, and we have to insert the pictures that are in our task. So one is snowball.jpg, snowball.jpg, this picture we have to, so we go to the picture this. So first of all, we adjust the cursor at the last of the documents, because there is an instruction in the task that you have to insert the picture at the end of the documents. So now we go to the insert tab and go to the illustration sections, and now click on the pictures icon, and now we will follow the first step, insert picture from this, and the first instruction is this device. And in this device, this is the locations where we have to select the picture snow ball, this one, and then click OK. And this we have insert the picture at the end of the documents. Not one of the pictures we have to insert in this. We have to insert another pictures at the end of the documents also, and we have to, now the cursor will be end of these documents, or you can also here at the end of this document. This again, we go to the insert tabs, and in illustration sections, and go repeat the process. And in this we have to click on this device, and now trees picture will be selected by us and by you, and then go to insert button, and also this pictures are, now there are two pictures have we have inserted in at the end of the documents. But you are going to notice one thing, that first of all we have insert this picture, so this picture must be placed first, and secondly this picture was selected by you and by us, so it would be at the second rank or in the order. So what we will do, so simply for this we have to change the cursor positions at the end of this picture, as you are watching this, and the same process will be repeated by us. Again, go to the insert tab and go to the illustration sections, and there is a picture icon, and we have to click on the first options and the instructions of this, and we have to choose the trees, and this picture would be selected, and then going to the insert button and click on that button, and now you are watching this picture is below, placed below these pictures, because in first step we have insert the first picture, and in second step we have inserted the second picture in at the end of the documents. So this was our first task that we have completed on that. Inshallah, next time we'll discuss about the second task of related to the pictures and these files. Okay, so you will have to study the book related to these topics, and please, after listening these lectures and after watching these lecture movies, you will try to do practically by yourself about this task also. I hope that you will do as I am doing this. Thank you for that. Allah Hafiz.